2021 Aprilia Tuono 1100 V4 factory. I had this bike for over a year now, so let me take you through a few updates done on the bike so far, starting with carbon AKRAPOVIC exhaust can and Aprilia's up map. DB killer was taken out on day one. I think it sounds apart. I like it a lot. My neighbors not so much, but what can you do? RNG frame protectors. With this model Tuono, an inverted swinging arm, your heel is always far enough from it, so I don't think you need an extra protection in there anymore. That's only my opinion. RNG double point mounted frame sliders. The key in here is to use two spacers provided to achieve that nice 2-3 mm gap between the frame and the mounting bracket. BAREND mirrors. I think they keep the profile of the bike nice and low, giving it that nice sporty look. Brembo brake master cylinder. It's a 17 RCS Corsa Corta. I think it's a really good match with this bike. I had 19 installed in the previous Tuono, and I think it was a bit too overwhelming at the times. SPEEDO Angel dark screen protector. There's two that come in the set. There's the one that I have installed at the moment. And the second one is kind of anti-glare matte finish. Radiator guard and oil coolant guard. Both of them are AliExpress special. I think I paid €25 for the two of them. There's no need to be spending over €100 for EvoTech when those two came with the same mounting brackets as the EvoTech itself. RNG second skin. It's a PTF protection foil. I have this for over a year now on the bike, and I don't have a single stone chip yet, which means that the stuff is doing a really good job. SSTOMPGRIPS, you cannot go wrong with those. Aprilia's tank protector. The good thing about it is that it comes color coded, which means it's almost exactly the same match as the paint that I have on the bike at the moment. It looks really nice in the daylight. And the last mode would be indicators. Nice and clean looking. That ConStands central lift bike stand, I think it's one of the best add-ons you can put on any bike. It will allow you to raise the bike high enough to drop the wheels if you need to change tires, work on the suspension, or just want to start the bike nice and tightly if you're working with a small amount of space, as I do at the moment. There's more updates coming, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you next time.